Hi, welcome to the small shed. This week on the Cyclekart, absolutely nothing's happening. I'll tell you a bit more in a minute. Now, apologies for having no video last week. I did make one. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the footage back home because I made it at the time when I was in hospital. I've had 14 days on the drip, unfortunately. I went to start some work on the Cyclekart, I think it was last Friday or so, as I said I would hope to do, and cleared all the garage out on the Thursday, went out Thursday night, came home Friday, a little bit sick in the morning, went to bed, woke up with a leg the size of an elephant, and I went to A&E that evening. Got admitted to hospital on the Saturday morning, in the early hours of the morning, and I've been on a drip ever since for, as I say, I think I've been 12 hours on the actual meds themselves. I'm reasonably okay, I can walk, but it's pretty painful. The infection is going down, it's an infection in the leg. This is the first time I've ever been in hospital in 73 years, so it was a bit of a shock to the system. But we're out, we're home. Nothing is going to happen for a week or two, or at least, if not more, because I want to get better, I want to get stronger before I start trying to mess around doing things that I often do, which are a bit sketchy. So many apologies. It will go very quiet for a while. Again, it's not that I've lost interest or anything, it's that I'm just physically not capable at the moment. So I'll see you all soon. Look forward to it then. Bye!